Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from Incubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down the trade that happened on EURUSD on a 5-minute time frame this morning during a New York session, which was absolutely insane. Like, it was crazy, guys. But the thing is that I took a partial profit in the second half of it. I'm going to show you what exactly happened and what you could have done in this case, which is absolutely crazy, guys. And as you know, I always use smart money concepts as strategy, which is high probability supply and demand zones and Fibonacci retracement levels. That's all I use, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. And this is the results of Gold Incubator. I'm going to show you later. I'm going to show you EURUSD for now, and then I do a little bit of replay to show you exactly where and when it happened. So you know that, if you're watching my videos, guys, you know that I wake up around 8 in the morning, a little bit before New York session to get myself prepared. And this is exactly where the most volatility happens. Oh, sorry, I'm on a 5-minute time frame right now. Let me show you. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is exactly when I woke up. So it was 7:40, which in my time is 5:40 in the morning. So I was analyzing EURUSD charts, and then I noticed that we have some sort of consolidation here, but mostly the trend is downtrend. So see, lower lows and lower highs and a strong break of structure in this area, and then after that it started consolidating, and then we had a break of structure towards upside. But right now, as you can see, we had this high probability order block here. We still have it because it's still not tapped into. This is a high probability order block, or I would say a high probability supply zone. If you don't know what they are, guys, I highly recommend you to watch my other videos or watch my first video on my channel so you can have a better understanding of this concept, that how I use this strategy, which is crazy, guys, which is super simple. I'm not using any indicator, as you can see, no EMA, no SMA, pure price action using zones and sometimes Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so I just switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame to kind of analyze the market in a higher time frame, and then I noticed that we have this high probability demand zone on 15-minute time frame that is still not tapped into. The reason is that this is the last bearish candle, and after that this candle just had a huge spike towards upside, and the next candle after that never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this candle and this zone right here that makes this order block a high probability order block. So I was just waiting for this candle to tap into this zone so I could wait for a better confirmation to take a long position. So, and this is exactly what I did. But you gotta pay attention, guys. I switched my time frame to 15-minute time frame, and then I noticed that we have a high probability demand zone. But as you can see on 5-minute time frame, there is no high probability demand zone. It was only on 15-minute time frame. But sometimes, I mean, most of the times, when I break it down, like from 15-minute to 5-minute, I can see a smaller, like a smaller order block in 5 minutes inside the 15-minute time frame, inside the 15-minute order block. So it means that we have a for example, let's say we have a high probability demand zone in 15-minute time frame, and also we have a high probability demand zone in 5-minute time frame inside that 15-minute order block. But in this case, we don't have that. So you gotta be careful when you're trading on 5-minute time frame, because this is not for 5 minutes. What we've noticed was for 15-minute time frame. So without any further ado, you see that it's actually coming down. It's coming down. It's all green, all red candles, and it literally tapped into this level. But I noticed something, guys. So first of all, it already tapped this. Okay, so there's no problem with that. Second of all, it actually had a break of a structure. Look at this. This is our support that got broken. So the price literally came down, had a break of a structure. So in this case, when you have a break of a structure, you can draw your Fibonacci level from where it started all the way where the correction wants to start. So a lot of people just jump into the trade because they saw a momentum, but it's actually not for 5 minutes. And if I want to move forward, you see that it's still going up, and this is where the correction happened. But you gotta pay attention to this zone between 50% to 60%, which is our golden zone here. And I'm going to remove this. So this is our golden zone, which is GZ golden zone, and this is for Fibonacci. And if I switch my time frame to 15 minutes, you'll see that this candle tried to break above the previous candle, but it had a rejection towards downside. And since we have a Fibonacci level in this case, you got to be careful with the next candle that happens after that. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. And I literally wanted to enter my trade here. For some reason I got hesitant and I didn't, because this is a beautiful candle for reversal, especially on Fibonacci level, which was absolutely crazy. And if I wanted to take my sell position here and put my stop loss exactly above this zone and my TP right here, it would have been almost 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened after that, which was absolutely crazy, just using Fibonacci level. I literally analyzed it this morning. I broke it down, but I didn't take it. However, I was still waiting for that. I was still waiting for the next correction to take it, but this was the high probability order block for 15-minute time frame, which didn't work out because of this break of a structure, and I used my Fibonacci level and I could take my sell position right here. So I'm going to remove this. This is our Fibonacci level. This is still a high probability supply zone, and then it could be a beautiful trade. So another break of a structure right here. See, this break of a structure here. This is the second break of a structure that happened. So again, you can use your Fibonacci level and then take your your Fibonacci level from here where it started all the way to where it actually ended. Okay, so this is where it ended. Where do we have our golden zone? Right here. And in this case, as you can see, we have this candle here, but it's not a reversal candle. And this candle, boom, this is where I took my trade below this structure. When it broke below the previous candle, I took my trade and I wanted to actually exit my trade right here, but something happened. Look at this. I had this one right here. No, sorry, I took my trade here because I didn't get a stop out for that one. I took my trade here. I waited for this candle, and then I waited for this one to break below the previous candle, and I put my stop loss right here and my TP here. But I closed my trade manually when I saw this candle right here, or maybe the one after it. Yes, I closed my trade right here, which was, it's not even 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, but it was a profitable trade, a very small profit, but I just wanted to close it. And the reason was that because of this support level here. See, this support level, like there's so much liquidity below this level, but there used to be, because of this candle right here, it has stopped out all these buyers who took their buy position here and put their stop loss here. So this candle literally, the shadow literally stopped everybody out and went up. So I assume that like it's not gonna happen for the second time. And since we have this support level here, see, since we have this support level right here, it could be a liquidity grab. So that's why I exited my trade. Otherwise I would have got stopped out and it would have been a loser trade. So but this was a really good one if I wanted to use my Fibonacci level, and you guys literally saw that how crazy this trade could be, like crazy good. And then the next Fibonacci level, which was this one, I took my trade here, but this is a support level that I didn't pay attention to. I kind of did, that's why I closed it manually, and it was done for the day. So look at this, the first liquidity grab here, it's already grabbed because we had this Fibonacci level here. This liquidity is not grabbed, and when it's done, this is the second support. Because of this break of a structure, this huge candle here, look at this huge candle, this big bullish candle here, even if you use your Fibonacci level from here all the way to where it ended, you'll see that it respected this Fibonacci level. It respected this Fibonacci level, so it means that this is our support level, this is our new support level, and we had another liquidity grab, boom, and it actually shot up significantly. And then after that, as you can see, it's probably trying to reach this level, which is our next supply zone. But and this is our next high probability demand zone, but I don't know whether it got respected or not. It didn't, so I didn't even look at the charts after that. I literally closed my computer, I shut my computer off, and then I was done for the day because of just this one right here. So it was a beautiful one, guys. If you wanted to take it, just you gotta be very smart and fast. You gotta execute your trades fast, guys. The market is not gonna wait for you. Analyze your chart. Don't be afraid. enter your trade, trust your analysis, and if it's a loser, nobody cares, guys. And that's totally fine, because you analyze the market, you are trading according to the trend, everything looks good. So fear, like, there's no place for fear, guys. So for this one, if I wanted to take it, that would be crazy. But pay attention, pay close attention to support and resistance levels, guys. So when the first liquidity grab happens, the second one happens to the closest one, or it never happens. It just goes for resistance levels. One support, one resistance. And this is exactly happened. All the sellers got stopped out right here. See, this support got stopped out. And then after that, we had this bullish candle here, and also this high probability order block here, and as you can see, boom, everybody got stopped out right here. So that's it, guys. Let me show you, before you go, let me show you the results of gold incubator for what happened exactly since March 7th. Today's date is April 5th, and as you can see, we are over 53% profit. And I had a very small amount of withdrawal, as you can see right here, and this is my VPS account. These are all the trades that this robot took this morning. We had a big winner, $47 on a $1,400 account. So this withdrawal is right here. This is the proof. And if I scroll up, you see that I actually had it right here. So I didn't do anything on this account, guys. Everything was completely hands-free. And if you want to see similar results, you want to trade completely hands-free without getting involved in the market yourself, you can try it for free, for 7 days for free so far. You can check out smartincubator.com, grab your license, and then after that, send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, drop your comment here, and I'll see you in the next one.